So I'm in the restaurant. My mom is late, but it's fine. Porn star martini for the win.
I'm sorry you chose to stay.
Oh bon.
No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. When it's when I'm with you,
Maman,
it's just on the hustle. No, we all kind of selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely.
I am exhausted. So I just came back from the restaurant with my mom for Valentine's Day. It was very nice spending time with her and sharing some daughter and mommy. Ow! I just hurt myself. So these were the boots I was wearing. I really love these boots. I call them my Congolese boots because of the shape. I really like them. I don't usually wear heels. But I hope you guys had a good Valentine's Day wherever you are and with whoever you spend Valentine's Day with. I really love Valentine's Day. Like, I love love. And I really love celebrating love. And so this year I celebrated love with my mom. And I think she was happy, so I love making my mom happy. But the way I left this apartment, I was such in a hurry because I got ready very late. I had we booked the place at 6 because all the nicer schedule like from 8 they were taken obviously for the lovers. And since I know that my mom eats very early, was not an issue. So what I'm going to do now is basically arrange my apartment a bit, and then edit some videos, edit the vlogs for Tunisia, try to finish it. I really want to finish it tomorrow, so I can export it on Sunday and then upload it on Monday, because it really takes, I don't know if it's normal, but like it takes like 24 hours to edit, like to export a maybe like 25 or 30 minute video. I don't know if it's my computer that is very old, because my computer, I'm using a MacBook that I have since 2015, and it's 2025. The girl needs to invest in a new computer, but it's going to take some time. Hi guys, today is Saturday. I'm looking a bit weird because I just applied some concealer on my face. I'm getting ready to go to the Black Women in Paris event for Valentine's. I called it Valentine. I am at the initiative of this event. I wanted to organize a workshop on self-esteem, self-confidence, and this workshop is going to be provided by a dance teacher. I came across her activities, her business on Instagram. That's why the algorithm works well on Instagram. And I really loved her work. I wanted to collaborate with her. And so we organized this event, and I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. Hi guys, here is my outfit, and I'll be able to show you a bit more later, but my big winter jacket because it's still very cold in Paris. And then there's just like regular fitness gym clothes. So this is the building in which we are going to have the class.
Right now, probably 10 toes down.
On Sunday, I'm not getting my French baguette. I really love this one. It's like 2 minutes from my place. It's very good. Very expensive, I won't lie. Because what I remember is that when I was younger, a baguette like this was like 50 cents or even less. And now it's like 120. One fucking 20 euros for this. I love me some good Tunisian food. This is a mix between jalbana and shakshuka. I really love it. almost that time of the month and I'm feeling very, very lazy. So I installed my projector in my room, as you can see, and I'm going to be watching Love is Blind. I have been hearing and seeing a lot of bad reviews on this season, but I mean, we shall see. I ordered some Burger King. My cat is here. I have my water with me. Yeah, let's do this. I took this extra cheddar lover plus bacon. There's a new sandwich from Burger King, fries, and this sauce. I do not know what they putting inside this sauce, but this sauce is fire.
I was like relentlessly bullied.
Like, I don't like
I was
when
beat up in the hallway.
I don't know. I mean,
going
this
to
is the
lunch,
principle of Love
and
is
I tried to
Blind.
sit down at a
But
table, and people
when
would,
you know,
push my
like
tray
whenever you
off the
share
table.
something, you feel obliged to share something.
And so I'd go like eat alone
As
in the
well.
bathroom or like in the.
I really love this couple, and I'm really rooting for them. Like, I really, really love them. Damn, this is the first revelation. Mutam, my cat really is noisy as fuck. So, where is she?
Oh, that's gonna be.
There.
That's gonna be weird.
Why would they do that? Netflix. Oh my god, her body language is not the best. Oh no.
I know it's weird.
Oh my god. I don't know, what do you guys think? Wow.
There you
Just
go.
somehow, very somehow.
Your voice to your view.
I know. It's weird.
Hey guys, so today is Sunday, very much sunny, and I am going to eat bœuf bourguignon. That is a French delicacy from the Bourgogne region. It's basically beef, like a specific part of beef that you marinate for a night before cooking it. For the vegetables, I put some mushrooms, carrots, and I also added some lardon, that is like some small bacon, pork, and with fresh pasta. And I forgot to show that you also can add some fromage râpé emmental, that is grated emmental, grated cheese. So it gives a bit more some, you know, goodness to the meal. And again, bon appetit to me. This meal, bœuf bourguignon, you're supposed to make it the day before you want to eat it. So on Friday, I marinated the meat with the wine, and then on Saturday I cooked everything, and then it's only now Sunday that I'm eating it, because it's always best for this type of meal to be eaten a day after. It's so good, and it's not the cheapest meal to do, but I think like the most expensive thing is just the meat, because you do not need like an expensive wine to do it. Oh wow. Now that's what I'm talking about.